Hey, Bruce Naylor here, the Frugal Tech, and today we're looking at the best-selling tripod for your smartphone, your action camera, point-and-shoot camera on Amazon as of the date of this recording. As a disclaimer, I purchased this with my own funds. No one else has reviewed this video prior to me posting it on YouTube. All opinions are my own. So when a lot of us get started with making YouTube videos, for example, we use one of these, a smartphone. Now we need a way to hold it up so we can sit in front of it or take the shots that we want to. Maybe we put it on a tree branch or a fence post, something like that, whatever we can find. So we need a tripod that's not only going to work on the tabletop, but something we can use all around to make our videos. And I think this is it. So let's go ahead and unbox the UBeesize tripod, get an idea of what you get with this tripod. So we're going to open it up. And let's take a look what's inside. All right, the first thing that I see is a strap for the tripod. All right, so that's included with it, this nice strap. We'll take that out of the box. Next inside, this is a mount for your GoPro. Again, action cams, that's what this is for. And then you have a smartphone clip. This will accommodate a smartphone up to 3.7 inches. You see how it works? Like so. So you got the clamp right there. And let's see what else we got. All right, that must be used to tighten up the tripod. Quite a bit of stuff in this box. Okay, this looks like a standard 1/4-20 mount right there for your camera, in case you have one of those. Quite a bit of stuff in this box now. And then it comes with a Bluetooth wireless remote. This should trigger the shutter for recordings, because what you don't want to do is get this put in a position where you have to turn around, get back up, and turn on the camera. So you just sync this with your Bluetooth on your camera with your smartphone. Works with Android and iOS. So we're going to go ahead and check that out as well. And then we get the tripod itself. Let me go ahead and take it out of its plastic. And there it is. Weighs about 6.4 ounces and stands 7.3 inches tall without the clip. And then if you were to add the clip to it on top, then it's going to be about 10 inches or so. So it's not real tall, but it should be more than adequate to do the job. And the thing of it is, these legs bend. You see that? Kind of like a Joby Gorilla Pod. See how that goes? But I got to be honest with you, I think it seems a little bit more solid than a Joby, because Joby has those like little connectors that I've just had them pop off on the Joby. That is the tripod. And then what else comes in the box? All right. Thank you for your business, and then a whole list of different things that you can do with this, different assembly instructions on how to use it. So we have that. One more item in the box, and this is going to be on pairing your Bluetooth transmitter here with your phone. So I'm going to get that set up here in a minute, and then we'll be right back. So pairing this was actually pretty easy. All I had to do was flip on a little switch that's on the side right there, and there'll be a little blue blinking light. I just opened up Bluetooth settings on my phone, and it immediately connected. So what you want to do when you're ready to set this up, you set up your tripod. This is set up for my phone, of course. And we'll go ahead and we want to launch the camera app and then put it into whatever mode that you want. So I'm going to go ahead and put it into video mode. So it's in video mode. Just so you know that it's actually in video mode, you can see. And then what we're going to do, all we have to do is just tap this button. You can see that the camera's now recording. And when you're done, you just tap the button again. Boom, and it's done. You can set the photo mode, set it up to do a time lapse, that kind of thing, which that's very cool. And you got to remember the price of this thing is around 14 bucks. It seems to be decently made. There's a lot of plastic up here. This is a ball head, so we're going to go ahead and show you how that kind of works with this as well. Okay, in order to remove this, you can actually remove the 1/4 mount on here by just simply, there's 2 buttons right here. You just press on these and off that, off it comes right there. And you can set this up what they call portrait mode. And you're going to use these 2 attachments right here to get that set up. So I'm going to do that next on the tripod. Okay, now I've put the set this up so you could actually shoot in portrait mode with this. Basically, you're adding a couple of accessories on there, right there. This again for your GoPro or for any small point and shoot that might accept a 1/4 mount. But essentially, all you have to do is just turn this knob here, and then this is going to rotate down. See that? How it's going to come up and down. Very, very cool how this all really comes together. I'm actually kind of impressed with this thing. The legs feel pretty good. They're metal. You do get a adjustable ball head on here, and that's adjusted with this little key right here, this little screw, and that will basically allow you to do the whole thing. See, I'm turning it, and then see how the ball head moves on that. Is it super strong? No. But again, remember, folks, this is only a $14 tripod. So for people using it to record themselves, shooting video themselves, again, putting it on a tree, wrapping it around a small tree branch or on a fence, you can also fashion this thing into a selfie stick like so. This is the best-selling tripod for an action cam, smartphones, your GoPros on Amazon. That's the date of this recording. $14. I've got a link to our Amazon affiliate link down below. Not a bad little device for the money. It'll probably do you well to get started. Or if you're looking for a lightweight selfie stick for your GoPro or your smartphone, hey, I think this might be tough to beat for the price. Let me know in the comments down below. Bruce Naylor. Till the next one.